What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy, Life of J, man, and I'm back with another video. Hey, man, before we get into this video, please make sure you hit that thumbs up button, like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell notification so you will be notified every time I drop a new video. Let's get to it. Hey man, say man, you know what I'm saying? We back with another video. I'm sorry to you guys that I didn't upload a video last week. I know usually I'm on the schedule of uploading one video every week, but I had honestly missed last week because, you know, I had a lot going on with school and stuff. I had a couple of assignments to get done, and then plus I was hoping that my shoes had came in that I had purchased. I had ordered some new sneakers, so I got a new pickup video, you know what I'm saying, coming soon. I had copped some new J's or whatever, and yeah, they didn't come in last week, so I'm expecting for them to come in this week. So that kind of threw me off a little bit, and then like I said, school and stuff kind of threw me off. But I'm back now, and guess what, man? We back chilling in the room, man. We back chilling in the room. I had to get up out of that office, man. I just ain't like the vibes. I don't know. At first I thought it was a good idea to have y'all in the office, but when I went back and looked at my videos, they was kind of like dark, and then I ain't like the whole little green wall, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know, it just ain't look right, and it ain't fit me well. Anyways, let's go ahead and get to the topic at hand. Today I'm gonna be talking to y'all about the first pair of J's that I had ever copped. These are the first J's I ever copped for myself. So let's clarify that. I had J's previously in the past, but these are the first J's that I had bought myself, man. You know what I'm saying? That my mama ain't paid for, my granny ain't paid for, my auntie ain't paid for, my daddy ain't paid for, none of that. These are the first J's I ever copped for myself. And it might sound crazy, but it was just 2 years ago, man. 2 years ago. These shoes dropped in December 2017. Can y'all guess what pair of shoes they are? Let's see. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna let you think about it. Hold on. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna let you think about it. Come on. Come on. Go ahead and guess. December 2017. That's when these shoes dropped. Whoever get it right, I'm gonna give you a free pair of J's. I'm gonna give you a free pair of J's if you get it right. Nah, I'm just playing. I ain't gonna give you a free pair of J's. But anyways, alright, so it was the Wheat 13s, bro. Those were the first pair of J's that I had ever copped. So I'm gonna go ahead and show them to you. I still got the box. I still got the box, man. The Wheat 13s, first J's I had ever copped. And I'm gonna go ahead and take them out the box and show them to you. Now, they still in good condition. They still in good condition. For it to be 2 years, they still in good condition. But they do the things, it's just a thing in suede in general. To me, suede does not last long. You know what I'm saying? They deteriorate quickly to me. So I'm surprised that they even last me 2 years. Cause shoot, suede, man, I had some suede shoes, and every time I get them, it's like the suede just don't keep up. You know what I'm saying? But so the shoes, they still in good condition. They just have a little bit of black stains on them from when I wear my black jeans. But you know, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull them out the box for you. They right here. They right here. They clean too, man. I ain't gonna lie. Y'all already know 13s is like one of my favorite J's. Well, actually, it's the ones, then it's the 13s. The ones in the 13s, those are my two favorite. You know what I'm saying? Of course, I like the 4s and stuff like that, but the 13s, give me a pair of 13s, give me a pair of 1s, I'm Gucci. You know what I'm saying? So I just took them out the box for you. I'm gonna just go ahead and let y'all give y'all a quick little show of them.
My diamond ain't frozen, pocket loaded. Diamond chain they glowing, and they showing. Money I'm a dog. Watch me blood. Come shit when I bought that you can't afford. Loaded, 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 loaded. Loaded, 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 loaded.
This is what I mean about the suede deteriorating, bro. Like, look, if you see right here, If it'll focus, all right, there it is. You see black right there? That's from my jeans. All that's from my jeans, man. Look, on the tongues. Hold on, I'm trying to get to focus. Black on the tongues. The tongues still turn black. Don't get me wrong, man. I love these shoes. I really do. I love these shoes. But I just hate that I had stained them with my jeans. If I would have known that they was gonna stain like that, I probably would have, you know what I'm saying, worn them a different type of way. I mean, it really ain't much you can do for these side parts, because your jeans gonna touch it. You know what I'm saying? Your jeans gonna touch it. So it really ain't much that you can do about them little side parts. But the tongue, man, I just hate that my tongues, you know what I'm saying, turn color. But like I said, overall they still in great condition. Like, look at them. You know what I'm saying? I could still sell these and make a profit off of them, but I'm not selling them. These are not gonna be up for sale. I'm not selling them. And honestly, I wouldn't even sell shoes. I don't like selling like damaged shoes, even though they're not damaged that bad. But you know, like I said, they still got like the little black smudges on them. So I really don't even, I really wouldn't even sell them. But look, man, I still got the tape. I still got the tape on the ball. I don't know if y'all can see that. You know what I'm saying? I take really good care of my shoes, man. Look, still got the tape. Still got the tape on them. Still got the tape on the balls. You know what I'm saying? Pause. But still got the tape on them, man. Look. You know what I'm saying? So they still in good condition. I have a couple of pair of J's that I own, but these are my favorite. You know, I really like these, and these was the first ones that I had copped. Yeah, man. Week 13's first J's I ever copped. I don't know why it took me so long to cop my J's myself. Like, I just think I had started getting into other shoes, you know what I'm saying, besides J's, because I ain't gonna lie, back in the day, the very first pair of J's that I had copped was the 6 rings. Those were the very first J's that I copped. You know what I'm saying? It's crazy, but me and my mama and my auntie and my cousin and my uncle, we all had camped outside of the store. Yes, we camped outside. I think we went to the store at like 10 p.m. and just waited for them to drop, man. And that was the last time I ever camped out for shoes. I never camped out for shoes ever again. I just ain't like it. Thank God that we have, you know what I'm saying, a couple of apps that allow us to just press one button and then on release date and then we get the shoe. But I don't know why it took me so long to cop my first pair of J's. Like I said, I had got into other shoes, you know what I'm saying? I got into Air Maxes. I started getting into LeBrons and stuff, and Lord knows I don't like LeBron shoes, bro. I'ma just be honest. I really don't mess with LeBron shoes. I have some OG LeBrons, the first ones, the first 10s that had came out there in my closet. When they very first dropped, I had got those. And you know, they alright, but to me LeBron shoes just be so bulky. You know what I'm saying? They like way too bulky for me, man. I don't like real bulky shoes. You know, I mean, I guess you could say these kind of bulky, but they clean though. They clean, you know what I'm saying? I'm rocking these, they clean. But yeah, so I just got into like other stuff. And then plus, you know, I was involved in sports and stuff like that. So really shoes was always on my mind. I always been fascinated by shoes, and you know what I'm saying, always looking up what shoes is dropping on what day. I always debated about getting them, but I just never got around to it. But you know, since I'm not in football no more, and you know, I'm basically just normal. And when I say normal, I mean like basically not having a set schedule of what I'm doing every single day. Cause you know, when you in sports, you got a schedule. You going to practice, you waking up going to practice, school, practice. All you doing is practicing, you know what I'm saying, working out. So basically I just, you know, ain't never had time to really just sit back and just, you know, focus on tennis shoes like that. But now I do, and now I'm doing, you know, so now my passion for tennis shoes could really come out, and I can really express that, you know, through my YouTube channel and through my business page at Prestige Heat 1, by the way, in case you want to go follow it on Instagram. Again, at Prestige Heat 1 on Instagram, just in case you want to give it a follow. But yeah, man, anyways, yeah, that'll pretty much do it for this video. If you want me to drop a video on how I get my income to buy new sneakers or anything like that, or if you just have any questions for me, if you just want to talk about shoes, you know what I'm saying, just hit me up. I always keep my personal Instagram page down at the bottom of the screen, so you can follow me on there, and then shoot, we can just talk it up. Other than that, man, it's your boy Life of Jay. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate y'all. I love y'all. Again, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, like, share, subscribe, turn on bell notifications so you'll be notified every time I drop a new video. Other than that, man, I hope y'all have a blessed day, night, evening, whatever time of day it is that you're watching this video. I'm out. All right, man.